Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, coming to you from my home in the capital city. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about Florida blueberries. Florida blueberries are in season right now and they are delicious. So not only are they in season, but they are healthy and perfect. So I want everybody to be safe, but when you're out there shopping for your food, look for the Fresh from Florida seal. Make sure you get some of those awesome blueberries. So let's talk about a couple recipes we're going to do with Florida blueberries. First, we have our Florida blueberry pancakes. So delicious and fun. Who doesn't love blueberry pancakes? Well, we also got a couple other things. We made a quick little Florida blueberry compote here. Just wilted down some Florida blueberries with a little bit of citrus and a little bit of natural Florida sugar. We're going to put that right on top of there. It's going to add all kinds of good flavor. We also have a fresh whipped cream that we made, and using just a little bit of that same sauce from the compote, we're going to add it in here and just give this just a little stir, and then we're going to put this nice cream fresh right on top, and that looks delicious. We also have our Florida blueberry smoothie. Again, these are based on recipes that are on followfreshfromflorida.com. We're also making a wonderful blueberry salad, so why don't you come around and we'll put that together. For our third little recipe, we have a Florida arugula salad with a little bit of whipped goat cheese, drizzled with a little nice virgin olive oil. I have some beautiful thinly sliced Florida radishes that I'm just gonna kind of place around here. Slice these nice and thin, and they're just soaking in a little bit of ice water, keep them crisp. Our fresh blueberries that are going on our salad. These will give a nice little sweet, tart flavor. So good. I just have a little bit of crushed blueberry, some vinegar that I had around the house, a little nice olive oil, and a tiny little squirt of Dijon. We'll just add this right to our salad. This is a nice color. Florida produce is safe, delicious, and plentiful. We have lots of great recipes on our website at followfreshfromflorida.com. You can see a couple of them here, variations of our Florida blueberry pancake, Florida blueberry smoothie, and our Florida arugula salad, whipped goat cheese, blueberries, and radish. Find all these wonderful recipes and many more on followfreshfromflorida.com. Stay safe out there.